Welcome to the My Channel Global Car. Where we bring you the latest updates from the world of electric vehicles and futuristic tech. If you're passionate about EVs, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Today, we're diving into one of the most highly anticipated electric cars in recent memory, the 2026 Tesla Model 2. Designed to be Tesla's most affordable EV yet, the Model 2 is set to change the game once again. Tesla's mission has always been to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy, and with the Model 2, they're bringing the goal to a wider audience. The starting price is expected to be around $25,000, making it Tesla's first true mass-market vehicle. That's less than half the price of the Model 3 when it first launched. The Model 2 will likely be a compact hatchback, ideal for city driving but still spacious enough for daily use. Early reports suggest it will have a range of 250 to 300 miles on a single charge. Impressive for a budget EV. Tesla's focus on innovation hasn't slowed down. The Model 2 is expected to feature Tesla's next-gen 4,680 battery cells, offering better efficiency, faster charging, and longer life. And yes, autopilot and full self-driving are expected to be available as optional upgrades. Built on a simplified platform, the Model 2 will likely be produced in Tesla's Gigafactories in Mexico and Germany. Mass production is expected to begin in late 2025, with deliveries starting early 2026. Tesla's goal? To produce millions of these cars per year. Even at a lower price point, Tesla isn't skimping on tech. Inside, expect a minimalistic interior, a center touchscreen for all controls, and over-the-air software updates to keep the car fresh and evolving over time. The Model 2 isn't just about affordability, it's about global